gonna go for it tonight. It is Sunday night, long weekend, so may as well. I could go fight with the 3D printer, or I could repair this excavator. So we've got the TIG welder up. We're gonna, sharpen up some tungsten, and I'm not that good, so that's why we got to sharpen as much as we've got. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try to weld that on. I think these things all kind of came from the same castings, kind of forging locations. So really what we're going to do is I'm going to use this guy here first and do a little schmelt test for the power to see what I need to do to set it up. So that's going to be the first step, and then we'll move on to the other side and see if we can't tack it, get it tacked on both sides, maybe just with just with schmelting it. And I don't know what the technical term for that is, but that's me using the plasma or the arc with no filler rod, schmelting. Okay, so we're gonna schmelt that metal, and yeah, we're gonna get this thing going. It's been on hook so long, it's getting some surface rust on it. All right, let's do it.